So for our ongoing ukulele workshop and jam, we're going to talk about a finger picking pattern for the nearness of you. We've been just kind of strumming down as we're learning this song, but hey, we can do something like this. I just go right to this one because, let me lower this, because I can change it up to fit into the pattern, the rhythmic pattern of the song, and I can break it up where I can maybe just do one note or two notes or three notes. There's just a lot of possibilities with this basic strum pattern. So here I'm going to make a C major 7, like so. That's the chord that goes over. It's not the pale moon. So the strum pattern looks like this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Pale moon. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's covering a measure. So one thing I love about this, it's not all single notes. We're doing two notes at the same time. So we get some harmony happening in this finger picking pattern. So I've got my right hand in my finger picking position. This may not work for everybody. You know, I bring my experience to the table of coming to the ukulele by way of guitar, and I was a finger picker. So I'm bringing that over to the ukulele, and I think finger picking, I just go right here. Thumb is plucking down on the G, and my index, middle, and ring are tucked under their respective strings. Baby finger's the only one that's not playing in this particular finger picking pattern. So I'm plucking the G, C, and then the strings, C, G, C, and then the E and the A strings at the same time. That's almost the whole thing, not quite. So we're going G, C, E, A. Play it with me. So the beats are 1, 2, 3. So we got to get one more beat in. And what I'm doing is I'm taking my index finger and I'm playing the C string. Isn't that pretty? Very, very slowly. Let's just try using that finger picking pattern over the intro and verse 1. We got a lot of tricky chords, so we're going to do it very, very slowly. Let's find your E minor 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, I'm thinking that this finger picking pattern is not a measure. It's two beats. If this is all wrong, I'm going to have to re-record this. Let's just try it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. It's not the pale moon, yeah, that excites me, that thrills and delights me. Oh no, it's just the nearness of you. See, I can't count. It's covering. We do it twice in a measure, which makes it really adaptable to these measures that have two chords in them, and you're going, oh no, what am I supposed to do? Because it's very hard to divide, to break up a finger picking pattern that covers one measure, and then you've got two chords, right? So see how excited I am on this one. Let's just try it one more time. Intro and the verse, very slowly. 2, 3, 4. It's not the pale moon that excites me, that thrills and delights me. Oh no, it's just the nearness of you. Now, real quick before I turn off the video, that F diminished, what are we doing with that baby? Especially if we want to bring it up the fretboard and do a fancy fancy. Well, because this finger picking pattern is 2 beats, watch this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I'm doing the whole thing, 1 and 2 and then making that shift, 3 and 4 and, in order to keep maintaining that finger picking pattern. And when in doubt, what I do if I get messed up is I just forget the finger picking pattern and start strumming and smiling at the audience, and they don't know the difference. There you go.